Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by diagnosing the flashing so you fix the real problem. Start with a clean panel, degrease, wipe with isopropyl, and use a tack rag. This removes oils that cause uneven gloss. Once done, sand the affected area and feather the paint to a smooth transition using 300/2400 grit. Make sure to remove any lifted edges. Then mask surrounding parts. You need an adhesion promoter and a suitable primer ready before you move to filling the loss of film and restoring uniform bonding. Now rebuild the film with purpose. Apply an adhesion promoter over any exposed substrate and allow it to flash exactly as the product requires. After that, spray a fine-grain primer in light coats, sanding between coats with 400/600 grit to eliminate texture differences. You're creating a consistent base so the final coat sits evenly. Once the primer is uniform, mix your top coat to manufacturer ratios and spray thin. Overlapping passes. Make sure temperature and humidity are within spec so solvents evaporate predictably and don't reintroduce flashing. You finish by applying 2 to 3 thin color coats, watching wet edge and overlap to avoid buildup. Then apply a compatible clear coat to lock in uniform gloss. Once cured to tack-free, allow full cure time before wet sanding with 1500/2000 grit and polishing to blend with surrounding panels. If the flashing still appears after cure and polish, don't keep coating. Strip back to the primer layer and repeat the rebuild using verified compatible products. This troubleshooting step fixes hidden incompatibility or trapped contamination.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.